Beach day conversation, practice English with simple dialogues. Hi Annabelle. It's such a beautiful day at the beach, isn't it?
Hi, George. Yes, the weather is perfect. The sun is shining, and the sea looks amazing.
Do you like coming to the beach often?
I do. The beach is my favorite place to relax. How about you?
I love the beach too. It's so peaceful. I enjoy swimming in the sea.
Swimming is fun. I also like to collect seashells. Have you ever done that?
Yes, I have. It's interesting to see all the different shapes and colors. Do you want to collect some now?
Sure. Let's walk along the shore and see what we can find.
Great idea. The sand is so warm under our feet. It feels nice, doesn't it?
It really does. And the sound of the waves is so calming.
It's the best part of the beach. The waves are so relaxing. Do you like to sunbathe as well?
Yes, but only for a short time. I prefer to stay in the shade and read a book.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read novels, especially romance. How about you?
I like adventure stories. They're exciting to read. Maybe we can read together sometime.
That sounds fun, George. We can bring our books next time we come to the beach.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to it. I'm glad we could spend time together here today.
Me too, George. The beach is even better when you're with a friend.
I agree. Let's make sure to come back soon.